Navigating Web Citations, the Smart Way. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most crucial aspects of research writing, citing websites. In this digital age, a lot of our information comes from online sources, making it essential to know how to properly give credit to these web-based resources. So, buckle up as we guide you through the process of creating accurate website citations for your bibliography or works cited page. When you use someone else's work or ideas in your research, it's necessary to give them credit. This is not just about being polite. It's about integrity and honesty in academic and professional writing. Avoiding plagiarism. Not citing can lead to accusations of plagiarism, which can have serious academic or professional consequences. Credibility. Proper citations make your work more credible because readers can trace back the information you've used. Respectful acknowledgement. It's a way of showing respect to the authors and researchers whose work you've consulted. Understanding the components of a website citation is key. Here's what you'll usually need. 1. Author. The person or group responsible for the content. 2. Title of the page or article. This is usually in the header or at the top of the web page. 3. Name of the website. This is the larger entity that the page or article belongs to. Think of it like a book and a chapter. The website is the book, the page is the chapter. 4. Publication date. When the content was posted or last updated. 5. URL. The website address where you found the content. Different academic fields use different citation styles. Here are brief overviews of how to cite websites in 3 popular styles. 1. MLA. Last name, first name. Title of the page or article. Name of the website, publication date. URL. 2. APA. Last name, first initial. Year, month, day. Title of the page or article. Name of the website. URL. 3. Chicago. Last name, first name. Title of the page or article. Name of the website. Month, day, year. URL. Always make sure to double-check with the official guidelines of the style you're using, as citation requirements can sometimes change. While it's essential to know how to cite manually, there are tools available that can help generate citations. Citation machines. These are online tools where you input details about your source, and they provide a citation in the style you choose. Browser extensions. Some extensions can generate citations when you're on a web page. Remember, always double-check generated citations for accuracy. Citing websites might seem daunting at first, but with practice and understanding, it becomes a breeze. It's all about ensuring you're giving credit where credit is due, bolstering the credibility of your work, and avoiding plagiarism. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and methods of citing websites correctly. Until next time, keep researching, keep learning, and keep citing.